Hey there, kids. Let's take a look at this problem right here. It says to simplify this fraction. Okay, well, we know this is you can make equivalent fractions by simply multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same thing. So for example, if you wanted to find a fraction that's equal to 3/4, let's do this right here. Okay, you could multiply the numerator by something, and as long as you multiply the denominator by something, you have an equivalent fraction. Okay, so if we were to do something like multiply this by 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and then 4 times 3 is 12. So 9/12 is the same thing as 3/4, okay? Now you can check yourself by cross multiplying, okay? I can go this way. 4 times 9 is 36, and 12 times 3, if I go this way, is 36. Whoops, I blew that. 36. Okay, and as long as these two numbers are the same right here, you have equivalent fractions. Now, that's not what the problem asks you to do today. It asks you to simplify. And simplify means to make this fraction into a smaller fraction that's worth the same amount. So I'm going to put the equal sign here again, and I'm going to go here. Now, instead of multiplying, we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by the same thing. Okay, I can see that both of these numbers are even numbers, so I know I can divide this by 2, and I know I can divide this by 2, and I'm going to get an equivalent fraction as long as I divide it by the same thing. 6 divided by 2 is what? Right, 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is also equal to 3/4. Now I could check myself by going the opposite direction, by going back again. Okay, let me get a different color pen here. Oops, that's not working. Okay, so I could go backwards again, and I could go 3 times 2 this direction, because it's the opposite, right? And that gives me 6. And I could go 4 times 2 this direction, and I get 8. Now watch, I can also, just to check to make sure I'm right, I'm going to cross multiply. 8 times 3 is what? 24. And how much is 4 times 6? That's 24 also. So I know I've got equivalent fractions here, and I've simplified it. I made it go down instead of going up, right? So 3/4 is the simplified version of 6/8. Kids, go ahead and give that a try. We will talk to you later. If you need help, come and see us. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.